What if I told you you can live in the USA, earn in dollars, and still struggle every month? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. Making money in the US is easy. Keeping it is the real game. In this video, I'll show you real ways people earn money in America, how the lifestyle actually works, and the smartest ways to start earning, even if you're a beginner. Hey everyone, welcome to Finance Motivora, where we talk about money, mindset, and real-life success. Today, we're breaking down USA lifestyle and the best earning opportunities you can start right now. USA lifestyle reality. First, let's talk about reality. The USA lifestyle looks glamorous on social media. Big houses, cars, shopping. But behind the scenes, rent is expensive. Healthcare costs are high. Taxes take a big portion. For example, if someone earns $4,000 per month, they might spend $1,500 on rent, $500 to $800 on food, $300 plus on insurance. So yes, people earn more, but they also spend more. Top earning methods in USA. 1. Online freelancing. One of the easiest ways to start earning is freelancing. Skills like graphic design, video editing, content writing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are very popular. Even beginners can earn $500 to $2,000 per month. 2. Gig economy jobs. Apps like Uber, DoorDash, and Instacart allow flexible income. You can work anytime. Some drivers make $100 to $200 per day. 3. E-commerce/dropshipping. Selling products online is huge in the USA. You don't even need inventory. Dropshipping lets you sell without stock. Platforms like Shopify make it easy. 4. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are powerful income sources. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing all add up. Consistency is the key. 5. Remote jobs. Many companies now offer remote work. Jobs like customer support, data entry, virtual assistant. You can earn $15 to $30 per hour. Making money is one thing. Keeping it is another. Here are 3 smart tips. 1. Always track your expenses. 2. Avoid unnecessary subscriptions. 3. Save at least 20% of your income. Remember, rich people don't just earn, they manage money smartly. Many people fail because they depend on one income source, they spend more to look rich, they don't invest. Don't make these mistakes. So now you know, the USA lifestyle is not just about earning, it's about smart decisions. If you want to build real income and financial freedom, start today. Like this video, subscribe to Finance Motivora, and comment USA if you want more videos like this.